How to disassemble a Nintendo 64 controller. Okay, it's Phillips 1, Phillips 2. I know what I'm doing, guys. Trust me. I'm a professional. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, we're going to remove these screws here. I'm just here for your entertainment. And I just like spending a lot of money on thumbsticks, okay? Alright, now that we got all of these bad boys... Oh, you almost got me. Now we got the small little guys right in yonder. So that one's going to be the Philips Zero. By the way, fun fact. The first time I've ever opened up a Nintendo 64 controller, I think I was like in middle school or something. So your boy's been doing this for a long time. So, boom, back piece pops off just like so. Throw this over here. Usually what I would do when I do restorations, which I plan on doing more videos of those in the future. I definitely do enjoy taking apart controllers and stuff and doing a deep clean and all that stuff. But this one I already did on my own time a long time ago. But in the future, I always recommend doing a deep clean, especially if you're doing mods like these. I know they got the ones with the Bluetooth from 8-Bit Do and all kinds of other wacky stuff. I have a Hall Effect one, which I'll show you guys real quick. So this was my other controller that I was considering putting this brand new stick in. This is the one from 8-Bit Do. It's more like a GameCube analog stick, to be honest. And plus, I don't know if you guys can hear this. Yeah, it clicks. So the original N64 stick did not do that. But from what I've heard, it's pretty good. It's Hall Effect. It's not prone to drifting. Yeah, not the same, guys. So yeah, but I was gonna do this controller, but I think this blue one looks better. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Eventually I do want to get the orange controller because, like I said, it's my favorite. But for now, I don't own it, and you know, there is a Game Expo coming up, so I am gonna check out. I'm gonna see if I can find one. So I'll let you guys know if I do. So after that, yeah, once you take the back off, it's pretty simple. Let's totally not check out my boys over at iFixit here. Let's see, I got it on my computer and my iPad. I was trying to do a gag with that. So yeah, what I just want to make sure is the screws that I'm using on this one. So, okay, so 0. So they're the small screws again. Same as these bad boys. So now we're going to take apart these 3 screws. And on top of that, we will take out this little doohickey here. We could just kind of grab it. Use our fingernails. There we go. Fingernail work. This also has to move too. Just do a little bit of wiggling. I think it might help if we take off this bad boy here. That has a little lip to it, and that side doesn't. So you kind of rock it that way and then up. So, the moment you've all been waiting for. So let's take out these screws right here. There's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. Just like so. And we don't take out that black screw right there because that actually opens up the housing of this stick module, which we are not doing in today's episode. So this is the sticks right here. So this is the Renaissance, Le Piece de Resistance, and this is the OEM. Well, they got a different screw on that. All right, guys. So yeah, that's what they look like. So now the moment of truth. So now I'm going to stick this in here. Guys, this is a little bit daunting to me. Oh, hold on. You see that? I just have to press. Okay, she clicked in. She's in. So now let's just wrap her around like that. Okay. let's throw these screws in before anything else happens. Let's go ahead and put this side first and then that side down. Okay, there we go. That was much easier. And then the black pad is that graphite pad, so that's got to make contact with this, so we got to make sure we put it back in that way too. There we go. Just like that. There's a little hole here, so we got to make sure we line everything up. She clicks and she sticks. Okay, so that's everything there. Let's get our shoulder buttons back on. So this is the left one. This is R. This is the left one. So honestly, they're super easy. Just make sure that these pads are flat. That's the one I didn't do on that 8-bit do Hall effect stick. But yeah, you just take that longer side of the peg and you just pop it in there. And it just rests there, and then when you click it, it does a little dance for you. So now the moment of truth. We flip this back over, making sure everything lines up perfectly. Okay. Okay. And she kind of clamps on in there. Yep. Click, clack. Oh, yeah, boys. We're going to be gaming. Okay. Clicky. Unlike my other controller. That's a good sign. Okay. Let's start with what we last did. So I got to get these top ones in. Let's tighten her down until she's snug. She sure is threading a lot. Okay, she is snug. Alright, let's see if I can pull that same maneuver for this side here. Okay. Just like a so. That last hole there. There we go. Oh yeah, you hear that click? That means I'm done. Okay, now we're going back to fill all these time lapse because it is a lot of screws.
No hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright.
I'm back. My iPhone storage filled up, but now here it is, all complete. Got the OEM beside it, this little cap I didn't use for some reason. All of its glory. All the buttons are working beautifully, all clicky. And that stick, oh yeah, she is ready to be touched. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hamstar signing out.